Niggas, if you are running around with a full beard but your haircut isn't giving, you are only playing at 50% capacity. A fresh low cut with a sharp fade isn't just a haircut, it's a whole face upgrade. Let's talk about it. Now, picture this: low top, waist laid down, with a blurry skin fade that drops clean into the sideburns. That gap right there, that's where the magic happens. It separates the hair from the beard, sculpts your jawline, and makes your beard look twice as thick instantly. It's effortless, it's clean, and it never goes out of style. Now look, you can't just step out the barber chair and call it a day. If you want the style looking crisp and keep your hair actually growing, you need a quick hair care routine. Firstly, stop letting your scalp go bone dry. Hit it with lightweight oil like rosemary or jojoba. This nourishes the roots without clogging up. Secondly, get that daily brush work in. Brushing doesn't just lay your waves, it wakes up the scalp and boosts circulation for real hair growth. The last but not the least, protect your hair. Satin durag every single night, no excuses. Lock in that moisture and keep those edges sharp. Always ensure to keep the beard lined up, keep the scalp fed, and let the fade do the talking. Yes. Tap the save button so you can show this to your barber. Send this to a homie who needs to step up his grooming game, and drop a comment below. Are you rocking the low cut and beard all year? Do well to check out our store in the description link below to grab our complete men's grooming kit and top tier hair and beard growth oil. Or tap the tag product right here on this video to get everything you need for that fresh, crisp finish. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.